Hola.
Nani?
Yeah. Sure, but if you come along and play some number, I'm not dealing with my questions, so can I ask?
Yeah.
But who's the guy? Yeah, Ikama.
Mina next.
Next over. Loma khona yize mfana. Okay, bafowena.
Mina unhlanga.
Bangaba.
Wayize.
So, impintshi yakho or ibrother?
Yeah, it's like I can say it's like a brother, but umngani wami.
So, how long ngiyabanga?
It's been like 4 years now.
So, throughout 4 years, have you done anything sketchy like about the maybe or Kumega?
Next. So, usolika la nje umaqala feli yini. Yeah, ngibhekile sinjalo.
Have you done anything sketchy?
Nothing.
So, in a scale of 1 to 10, how much do you trust him?
20%, yeah.
So, why 20?
Because I trust him very much. It's like a brother to me. Akazangenza something wrong.
Yeah, my brother cool, which means the brother cool.
Yeah,
Yeah.
It's like a brother to me. Like I don't have any suspicions to him.
Yeah. So, in a scale of 1 to 10, how much do you trust him?
Mthemba 25%.
25 out of 10.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Leja yami, njalo ubona la ibhola khona.
Bathi dai
So fast lahlala.
Yeah, so fast lahlala. Kunelika malakhona lesilungu bathi dai for what? Die together. Oh
Yeah, I don't know. Like, yeah.
So my brother, do you have a meeting?
Ngelishela nayo grand yawo.
Yeah.
Bayazakala bayaphuma bayangena bayaphuma abantu abanjalo.
So yini inkinga?
Hayi nama ngicaba like yabona bathi angikholo yalo abantwana.
Akho loyal wona oshikele.
Ukuthi njalo ba.
Okay. So do you have a meeting?
Yeah, I have.
So igama lakhe?
Sando.
Thando, okay. So how long you pushing?
It's been, I think, 7 years now.
So throughout 7 years, have you done anything sketchy like aphume nabangani bakho or aringena umjita kayi?
No, angazi. Like siyazana.
So abantwana bakhona lapho?
Yeah, I have 2 kids now.
So fika kanjani 7 years back? What's the recipe la?
Just ukuthi ngiphatha kahle nokuthi yabona bamnandi ikamereni yabo.
Yeah, yonke 100%.
Yeah, 100%. Yeah.
So bafethu we're gonna play a game, ne?
Yeah.
Called Best Friend Switching Phones for only 60 seconds. So ngikweni ngayo ngithi.
Yeah, simoja.
Hayi ngathi ikhamba no.
Moja. Igrand.
Afile. Iba ipelas ngicela ipelas.
Alright.
Bafu. Kumispanini baba.
Yeah.
Usebenzela
I'm
abantwana.
off yabo.
Afile.
Tusebenza baba.
Yeah, unomntwana. Yeah, ngena kule area. Yeah, nawufaka iphini.
Yeah.
Ngena ku WhatsApp la. Uthepe igama la ex yakho.
Next, okay.
Okay. Tap ile igama lakho bheka ukuthi uthini. Yeah.
Kanti nina nitsheta ngani media?
Akusimedia
Nayi profile pic yakhe.
Yeah, bekangibuza ngayo ukuthi ungenile nayo ngithola.
Hayi baba, it doesn't sound
Play
good.
phezulu just bheka ama chats on. Yeah, phezulu. Bafo. I miss you. Ngana uqala ke.
Abafuna
Ngana uqala.
Ima baba, ima.
Ngana uqala.
Lethu phuma kwakho. Hayi baba, yini na? Hayi baba. Inasi isithombe sakhe.
bayithupeka bheka. Yo.
Hayi baba. Yenzi riding. Wathi una riding mfethu ngumngani wakho ka.
Yo, na ivideo bafo. Uy.
bafethu ngingangeni.
Yo. Oh. Ivideo na.
Hayi baba, yini ngawe? Une video na ivie? Ntwana, Max yini ngawe?
Ngakutshela.
Hayi baba, yini ngawe? Ngizokubamba wena, ngizokubamba ka. Ngizokubamba ka. Ngiyeke ka. Ngizokubamba ka.
Hey bafo. Ya, we secret ngempela. Yo. Bafo.
Ngizokubamba.
See my phone, she riding. Asilandi phone. Yo.
Ngizokubamba ka. Nomfazi wami ka. Umama wabantwana bami. Hafi, ngizokubamba.
Yo, my brother. Yo. How do you feel, my brother? Yo. Very good, brother. Heartbroken. Yo. Yeah, ne.
Maka why ekhethu kwenza riding?
7 years.
Ish.
7 years. So, umntwana wakho?
Angisakholwa ngokuthi umntwana wami mina kanje. Angisakholwa. Yo. 7 years yonke ngithola naye ayi.
Yo. Yeah, ne.
Phela umuntu ngiyamtrasta la.
Yo.
It's been 4 years siyabangani, maka ngikholwa ukuthi angayenza into ekanje.
Actually made.
Hayi.
Asha ne video. Yo.
Maka wayenze riding.
Manje solution ini bafo?
Mina solution ayikho la. Just ukuthi mina ngixoshe nje lo mfazi wami lo. Kawu ngicede mina naye.
Ayari ne. Wangifuna nayi phone. Ube crème mafona. Ube crème. Ngisi ngisiza.
Maka ngizombamba yena.
Hayi, ungakuri.
Angizombamba.
Ungakuri ba.
Mara ngazongidlela umfazi kanje.
Ungakuri. Wazokubopha.
It's fine.
Sure bafo. Awe.